Today I want to show you how easy it is to install your new Gen 2 retrofit controller in the Camp Chef pellet grill. First things first, make sure it's unplugged before you do anything else. So go ahead and unplug it, and then I'll show you how easy it is. All you need to do is remove 6 screws. There's 2 here on the controller, right there. There's 1 in the front of the hopper, 2 on the side, and then 1 along the back here. The 4 along the bottom, what that does is it actually is gonna drop the bottom part of this hopper so you can access those wires that we're gonna have to unplug. The wires are now exposed to the back of the controller. So you just go ahead and start disconnecting them. There's basically 5 wires. So now that you got your controller off, you're ready to install your Gen 2 controller. So you start with this one. This one's your internal thermometer, so it just plugs right there in the slot on the back. And then for the most part, the wires should be lettered, and so you can just match up the letters, but if for some reason don't have letters on them, the auger motor is either going to be a red or a green wire. With this controller, both of them have obviously that B sticker, so you just plug those 2 together. Next one we're gonna do here, let's just plug in the power wire. That one's color coordinates as well. That one's always gonna be black and white. And then this orange one here is the fan motor wire. It can be either orange or yellow depending on your model, but on the controller itself, it's always gonna be that orange. And then if you look here, you have both your C's, so you just match those 2 up together and plug them together. And then last one here is your hot rod wire. So go ahead and plug that one in. Once you get everything plugged back in, you're ready to start putting your screws back in. So we'll start with the controller here, and then your 4 screws to hold the bottom plate onto the hopper. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install. Some of the key features of this new Gen 2 controller is our PID technology. It also has a 1 to 10 smoke setting. Allows you to inject more smoke flavor if you like, 1 being the least amount, 10 being the most. Also comes with a dual meat probe option, so you can monitor 2 meats at the same time. And then obviously has a large dial on it to select the easy to use menu as well. If you want to learn more about this controller, go to campchef.com.